Hey guys, Alexandra here, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and I missed you guys so much. Hopefully you all missed me just a little bit at least. Obviously I am back from vacation. Vacation was great, the kids had a blast. I did have a little bit of a mishap towards the end of it, like the second to last night. I sat on or too close to a fire ant village or hill or something and got tore up from the floor up, but I'm okay now. I was a little sick and obviously itchy, covered in ant bites, but they're healing and I'm better. I went to the doctor today. Baby's doing good, everything is doing good. Coming to the end of my first trimester finally, so excited for that. But as you guys can see, I'm like super far behind on my unboxings. So let's just get on into it. Okay, so you guys are probably wondering about the mouse ears. So as you guys know, we took the kids to Venice Beach and we also took them to Disney World for 3 days. It was just amazing. I loved it, had so much fun other than the fire ant part. But I love, of course, Harley Quinn, you guys know that, but I do love Disney and I love, love, love Alice in Wonderland. And I don't know, I just love all Disney movies. And I picked this up. Oh my God, isn't it adorable? You know, it was too fitting. The Not So Evil Stepmother had to get the cup, right? And I've been drinking more tea, so I picked these babies up. Look at that, isn't that the cutest thing ever? So yeah, I got like a whole container of different Alice in Wonderland teas. Just had to, I loved it. So my daughter actually got the Cheshire Cat Ear, so it was too adorable. So I had to share that with you guys. So a few little loves of my life. But let's get into this BoxyCharm because I did not get one of those emails. So I have no clue what I got, and it's kind of been bugging me, you know, just bugging me a little bit because there's been some people that have been having some issues with getting the Cover FX drops. So those are supposed to be in here. And God knows whether I got the palette or the spray. We're about to find out. Oh, it looks like I got the palette. Okay, so I got the Chella Taupe Eyebrow Cream, which I will probably never use and give that away to somebody. The Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Have you guys tried this out yet? Let me know what you think about this, because I've been getting a lot of mascaras and I might just, you know, I don't know. So anywho, and then I did get the Dr. Brandt Needles No More baggage. Apparently they think I've got some bags under my eyes. I don't know. I would have really rather had the pharmacy, but I do have other stuff that's got AHAs and BHAs in there. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about this. I think this is probably the most disappointing box of BoxyCharm I've ever gotten. They better step it up next month. And so far, from what I'm hearing, you know, we're supposed to get a Laura Lee palette. So, you know, we'll see. We'll see. And then, of course, the Note Blush in Desert Rose. You guys already know about that. They did put the Cover FX drops in here, and I got them in the color Sunset. So I'm actually probably more excited about these because, I mean, these are like $40 drops, you guys, and I really do love these. I've used these before. Oh my. So, ooh, they're a little dark though. It's a little dark. A little dark for me, so maybe this might have to go in a giveaway or something. I don't know, we'll see, because that's a little dark for me. So yes, I wore my sunscreen so I did not get a tan because I wore my sunscreen. And if you guys are wondering, just out of curiosity, I got box one as always. I always get the box one, the first whatever. Yeah, so in here is the infamous Crown palette. So I guess I'm happy that I didn't get the Tarte spray because I would have rather had the palette than the spray, quite frankly, but that's just me. But the problem is I have like so many palettes, y'all. Like it's ridiculous, quite frankly. And this one looks like it's nicked a little bit. See that? This one here is nicked. So I don't know how I feel about that. And then this one's nicked. And this one's nicked. There's a few of them that are nicked. Like that one's nicked. See that? And that one's nicked. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, so there it is. So yeah, I did get the Crown palette and the Dr. Brandt. I would have rather had the pharmacy, but it is what it is. So there we have it. BoxyCharm, y'all better step it up next month because yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. All right, so anyways, news, let me tell you guys news real fast because we've got some changes coming. So let's see. Okay, first of all, for those of you guys who don't know, my fiance, we did get custody of his son, full custody of his son. So he will be, like in the summer, they have him split. So she gets him a week, we get him a week kind of thing. But when school starts, he will be here full time. And he's gonna start playing soccer. He's super excited about that. And then my daughter, she starts her field hockey. So she's really excited about that. And they go back to school in August. So here in a couple weeks. So we're getting everything ready for that. And just to let you guys know, I don't want you to feel like that I'm gonna like ghost you guys. So I'm gonna start doing all my uploads on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays because I know some people have been having issues not getting notifications. So if you don't get a notification, check every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evening. There should be an upload up unless something terrible happens and I'm like insanely ill or in the hospital or something. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, there should be a new upload up video from me. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And I'm also gonna be finishing my book. So now that we've got the last chapter completed of this whole adventure, he's the fourth dad, fifth parent that I've helped get custody of his son. So it's kind of exciting, you know, especially for me and finishing this book. It's just kind of like a good way to close it all out, if you guys know what I mean. So lots of good things coming. And then, oh gosh. Okay, so I guess that's my camera's way of telling me it just fell. Sorry about that. So anyways, I guess that's my camera's way of telling me that it's time to end this video. So I will see you guys later.